I'm Julie Bachman. I'm Coke Business Solutions Risk Solutions Manager. My favorite aspect about working in KBS is that we really get to work with nearly all of the Coke companies, whether it's home office or on a nationwide scope or an international scope. There's a wide variety and a lot of challenge in knowing what's going on in all the different industries and businesses that Coke is in. The main benefits a Coke employee will see when they're hired is that they'll have plenty of opportunity for new experiences and to take on additional responsibilities to add to their role. In almost any group that I've ever been in, there have always been opportunities to take on more and more responsibilities, grow your career, seek out supervisory positions if you want to. Supervisory and management opportunities have been a good challenge for me personally. There's always something new and changing at Coke, and that is exciting. It makes our jobs very interesting.